So today let's talk about verbs and sentences. I want us to go through the verbs and sentences. So what are the verbs that we're talking about? These are the verbs. To sleep is nindo. Nindo, sleep. Nindo. Okay. Chiewo. Chiewo. That's to wake. Chiewo. To go. To go. That's to play. Somo. Somo. To read. Somo. Ndiko. Ndiko. That is to do what? To write. All right. And then, if you look at the other part, there is where. Where means sing. Where. Where. The R has to be pronounced. Where. Then we have miel. 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 Okay. Miel. Then we have lemo. 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 That is lemo. And then we have tedo. 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 Okay. Chiemo. Chiemo. That is chiemo. Okay. Then we have chamo. Yes, chamo. Sorry. Then mado. Mado. That is drink. Mado. Mado. That's to drink. Okay. Mado. Biro. Biro. That is come. Biro. Biro. Then we have the. 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 THI. The. The. Woto. 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 Ringo. Ringo. Ringo.